Okay, so this is the accelerator. It's David speaking. Sign is right there, and the first label. Hold up. Yeah, the first label is 78 inches, so that's how tall the project is. Since its beginning, it's 0 joules for kinetic energy and potential energy is 10.6 joules because the ball is 0.5 kilograms and the gravity is 9.8 meters per second. Total mechanical energy is also 10.6 joules. As we travel down, since the roller coaster isn't actually on the ground, the kinetic energy is not actually 0, although it should be. Potential energy here is 4.9 joules, and the kinetic energy is 5.7. Although there is the increase of the kinetic energy is still greater than the potential energy. The height is 1 meter, mass is 0.5 for the ball, it will never change, and the gravity is 9.8. That would never also change either. TME never changes, and it still remains as 10.6 meters per second. I mean joules. It's joules. The third label is on the top of the first loop. It is at 1.3 meters high. The ball is the same. The gravity is the same. The total mechanical energy is 10.6 joules, same. The kinetic energy is 4.23 joules, and the potential energy is 6.37. The potential energy has increased because the height is increased due to the previous sign. Travel to the fourth label. The fourth label is at 44 inches high. The mass is the same, and the gravity is the same. The potential energy is 5.9 joules. The kinetic energy is 4.7 joules, and the total mechanical energy still remains at 10.6 joules. The bottom loop, it's kind of hard to see, is 40 inches high, and the mass is the same, and the gravity is the same. The potential energy is 5.4, and the kinetic energy is 5.1. Total mechanical energy remains the same, because it always will, because of the theory of conserving energy or something like that. Finally, where the two marbles rest at the end, the height is hard to see on the iPad, but it's 33 inches, the mass is 0.5 kilograms, and the gravity is 9.8. Hola, tío. Kinetic energy is 0 joules because it's at rest, and total mechanical energy is at 0.6 joules. Again, this is the accelerator. It's over there. It's kind of dark right now. And yeah, this is David.